it's the month of October and I bring you guys this art Halloween shadow look. I hope you guys like it, so let's get started. By the way, I'm using the e.l.f. Retro Paradise palette, so I'm gonna get started with the color Caliente and then move on to Spiced. Now with a blending brush, I'm gonna be going around and try to blend the most that I can. Now using some highlighter and applying it on my brow bone. Now I'm going to be applying the shadow Cacao and I'm going to be putting that a little above my crease. Going in with my face paint palette and I'm going to be adding that white liner there and then going over that brown once again. Now I'm going to be using some concealer and then just blending that out. Going in with Caliente and Spice and mixing those shadows together and making sure they are well blended. For the outer V of my eye, I'm applying Cacao and I'm packing that shadow in, making sure that it's blended. Now for the bottom of the eyes, going in with Caliente and Spice and then applying some liner. I'm applying some highlight in my inner corner and then I'm going back to my face paint palette using that black and I'm gonna start doing these lines to create the spider web. I was having a hard time doing these lines. I don't know why, but at the end it comes out looking good. And I did miss a clip here. I didn't notice that I wasn't recording, so I wasn't able to record everything of me doing the web, but you guys get the idea. I am adding some white paint just for a little bit of detail in the web, and then I am cleaning my lines of the web just so it could look a little cleaner. I decided to add some individual lashes to the bottom of my eye and they turn out to look really pretty. This is how it turned out, guys. I hope you guys like it. For those of you that don't like to go all out for Halloween, I think this would be a perfect look. So I'm going to be doing more videos like these. Just stay tuned. See you guys on the next one.